If you're an entrepreneur, then you need to know the top 5 ways to make money online in 2024. Let's dive in and turn your hustle into muscle. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale. Think of it as recommending your favorite things and getting paid for it. Number 2. Freelancing. From graphic design to copywriting, there's a gig out there with your name on it. Set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. Number 3. Online courses. Got a skill? Share your knowledge by creating a course. Help others while padding your bank account. Number 4. E-commerce. Start an online store and sell products you're passionate about. Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, the world is your marketplace. And finally, number 5, YouTube channel. Create engaging videos and get paid through ads, sponsorships, and even fan donations. It's not just for cat videos anymore. So there you have it. 5 fantastic ways to make money online in 2024. Which one will you try first? Hit that follow button for more tips on making your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.